Okay, so we've got two runners starting out 250 feet apart from each other. No, 2,500 feet apart from each other. Okay, so this one here is, let's see, Sally. Oh, Jenny's at the beach. So Jenny's here and Sally's here. Okay, so Sally is running north, right? Sally runs. Yes, Sally runs and heads north. Sally runs at 20 feet per second. So here we go. So again, I'm going to move that to here, and ds over dt is 20. So I always measure or put the length of the side as the letter. So then Jenny is running towards Sally. So that'll be my J. So I'll erase that one. Okay, so then we want to find how fast the distance between them is changing. So we want to find this distance. So I'll call that K. So I'm going to find dk over dt. Oh, and they did give us what J was, right? I just didn't write it down. dj over dt is 22. Okay, so now ready to set up our equation. So I can see it's going to be k squared equal s squared plus, oh, can we do it? So this is J. All of this is 2,500. So that means this right in here is 2,500 minus J. Just like the last one, right? 2,500 minus J. Okay, so I think, what's the when information? Let's go digging. How fast is the distance of them between them changing after? And I even point out you want to use 60 seconds because all of these units of rate are in seconds. So I'll say 60 seconds. So when t equals 60, and I'll just leave it like that. All right, so now we're ready to take the derivative of our equation. So 2k dk over dt, 2s ds over dt plus, let's be careful taking the derivative here, 2,500 minus j to the 1 power, and then negative dj over dt. Really easy to miss that little negative there, isn't it? Cancel the 2's, and let's go plug some information in. So if I want to find out how the length of S here, I want to multiply this 20 times 60, right? So to find the length of, let me do it up here. To find the length of S.
Do you need anything, lover?
I don't. I'm good, thanks. 20 times 60, so that'll give me 1,200. So 1,200 ds over dt plus. And then I'm going to go find what the J is. So that'll be 22 times 60. And that gives me 1,320. Okay, so that I'm going to put that in right there, right? So I'll get 2,500 minus 1,320. And I'm going to put in the negative and the dj over dt. Give us the 22. And I get to go find what the k is to solve for dk over dt. Oops, I forgot to plug in the s, the rate for ds over dt, because we have that. So ds over dt is 20. Wow. Okay, so am I down to my last page? Nope, I got a little bit of room down here. So in order to solve for k, right, it's going to be the square root of, I'm just going to draw another triangle. So I know that this length here is 1,200, and this length here is the 2,500 minus the 1,320, and that's going to be 1,180. 1,180. Oh, that's a very messy 12. Let me draw that again. I can't even read that. So 1,200 here, and then 1,180 here. So that means that this will be the k. So I can find out k. So dk over dt. And let's see, the 1,200 times 20 plus 1180 times negative 22 all over the square root of 1200 squared plus 1180 squared. And that's a fine answer.